We figured while camera guy was on holidays, we'd keep working on this this project. Got a few things wrapped up. Rear drive shafts in. Got the new tires on. Second go around for the tires. We put 40s on it the first time and it looked a little small. So we stepped it up to 42-inch Toyos. Got the dual stabilizers installed. BD track bars installed now. Got the bumpers on, all the trim, the fog lights in the front and the rear bumpers. Next we're going to move on to mud flaps and front shaft and do final adjustments, and that'll be it for this one. After it leaves here, it's going to go off to paint and body, get the rockers fixed and custom paint or wrap on it. Just because it's leaving here like this doesn't mean that this journey is over. We'll be updating hopefully next season with some more upgrades. Oh. Beggars.
What do we call these ones?
Wrong nuts.
Oh, for fuck's sakes.
So after installing the original nuts and realize the true spikes run back order, we have to settle for these smaller ones for now. Well, it depends where I measure. 6'3½". Don't get excited.
I'm not.
Just setting it all here beside this transmission. This fucking stretchy junk is tougher than you think it is.
All right, so what do we got here?
Got here is clear mud flaps, as per customer request. Actually, I think supplied by the customer.
Good thing these are just for decoration.
They pretty well are just decorations.
They barely qualify for legal.
I don't think they're legal at all. Legal has to be down here.
Has to be halfway?
Halfway the tire.
Oh yeah, they don't legal.
No.
We're just gonna tape them on?
No. I gotta put vice grips on them.
Does that make you nervous?
It does. Hey Carson, come here a minute, would you? I need some needle nose vice grips, so I'm gonna grab this. Oh. Okay, go down one drawer. Back right. Give me the small. Not those ones. Those ones are junk. Yeah, let's do those ones.
Don't know if that was your preferred table drawer, but that's the one you got again.
That's the one we want. Thanks. Okay. Oh my God, does that look stupid? Like, I don't even want to put those on. Do you want to send her a picture on Instagram and say these look fucking stupid? think that looks better. He just wants these on now. So we're still gonna put them on.
What's this tool?
It's for lining up mud flaps.
Okay.
You hook this on the factory bolt and you slide the whole thing over the mud flap, and then you can mark your hole on the other side. But it's a little short for that one, so we'll have to go from the other side. So now I can hit at least 3 factory screws. Yeah, so we'll drill here, here, there. 3 screws, done. See you later. Oh, you bitch. Fuck. That's not even close to fucking level, dude. Not along here, it ain't.
Push in. There. That's exactly where it was.
That might be the 550 one, actually.
Jake says he doesn't know the difference.
This is a fucking idiot. Ow. For me, mud flaps need to be straight. Otherwise, they look stupid. You gotta be straight this way, straight this way. This one looks crooked right now, but we're gonna do some adjustments and make it straight. Yep, got our holes marked. Oh, we're gonna drill them. Mud flaps are done. Now we're going to put this last yoke and U-joint on the drive shaft and install the front shaft. Find somewhere I can do this without fucking destroying it. Well, that's fucking nice of them. Let's powder coat the entire inside of the hole. Hopefully that's just their tape. It is their tape. Thank God. So I was just gonna throw this thing across the fucking shop. The thing that sucks about it is when you try and clean it off, if you get it too hot, it just turns to fucking gum. Just stroke it off, stroke it on there. Just gonna say, if you do this motion in any other hole and your finger comes out this color, something is wrong. Good and tight. That's German for torqued, if you didn't know that. Okay, I'll get some new hardware. She binding. Where's it binding at? In there. Perfect.
I'm going to describe what your experience is.
No. We're not going to put that in the video. Still no tourney. Just gonna rotate the diff to make the pinion angle a little better. It turns, but it's, man, is that tight. Like, I don't think you'd slide a fucking piece of paper in there. Our pink mud flaps are a little too small, so they weren't quite meaty enough. So we decided to go a little bigger with them. Smash these in with the impact? No. I have never even subscribed to YouTube. I don't have time for that.